Welcome to Royco Flavor Family Favorites as we
bring out the flavor with Royco.
Good evening, everyone, and a very warm welcome to the Royco Kitchen. Tonight marks the start of a very special month for Royco. For one thing, the Royco Kitchen will be coming to your home every week from now on. And for another, this month will focus on a favorite food group, vegetables. We'll be preparing a lovely selection of traditional Zimbabwean recipes, all using vegetables. This week, we'll start with pumpkin leaves with peanut sauce. The main ingredients for this recipe are pumpkin leaves, onion, tomato, peanut butter, and of course, the special Royco ingredient, Royco Usavi mix. You'll have time at the end of the program to take down the full list of ingredients. So for the time being, why not sit back and watch as I prepare the dish. Start by heating a little margarine in a saucepan, then saute sliced onion for a few minutes. Then add a teaspoon of Royco Usavi mix for extra taste and color. Add chopped tomato, a pinch of salt, and 2 cups of water. Bring the mixture to the boil, reduce the heat, simmer until the onion and tomato are soft and well cooked. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare the pumpkin leaves. Remember to wash them very carefully under running water. Then shred the leaves or cut them up into thin strips with a sharp knife. You can also use dried vegetables. Prepare them in exactly the same way, but blanch them in salted boiling water for 5 minutes, then drain them and leave them in the sun to dry for 2 or 3 days. My onion and tomato mixture looks just about right. So now I'm going to add the peanut butter. Then stir in the pumpkin leaves, continue to cook the mixture until the leaves are soft. And here is a pumpkin relish served with a generous helping of sadza. I used pumpkin leaves in this recipe, but you can use any other leafy green vegetable. Kova is a good example. I'm also serving Royco cream of chicken soup as a starter. I hope this has given you some good ideas on making a tasty vegetable relish. If you'd like your own free copy of the recipe, please write into Royco Flavor Family Favorites, Box 1038, Harare. If you have pen and paper ready, you'll be able to take down the list of ingredients as they come up on the screen right now. Until the next time we meet, thanks for joining me and happy cooking with Royco.
Thank you for joining us tonight on Royco Flavor Family Favorites.
Bring out the flavor with Royco.